In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games Launcher SU-PQR5 error in Windows. So how to get rid of error? So the couple of ways how we can sort this out. Step one, what we're going to do is if you're able to launch the Epic Games Launcher, just launch the app. So launch it. Okay. Once you launch it, what we're going to do, click on your profile, which is on your top right there. Click on your profile, and then from there, click on Settings. And from settings, scroll down, scroll all the way down, and you will see this troubleshoot option here. So click on troubleshoot. So when you click on troubleshoot, what it does is it fixes up itself. So it troubleshoots itself and then it fixes up any issues. Suppose if it doesn't if it couldn't resolve it, then you will see the recommendations here, which you can try to do it manually and get it fixed. Okay, you can run this a couple of times in order to fix it. That's fine. You can do that by clicking on the troubleshoot again in order to fix this. So this is one way of doing it. So second way, step two, what you can do, you have your Epic Games launcher here, right? Right click on it and then try to run it as an administrator. Select this run as administrator, click on it and see if you can run it as an administrator. If it works, that's fine, you can use it. Step three, what you can do, again, right click on this Epic Games application here, right click, and then select the properties option here. So once you select the properties option here, select the shortcut tab here. Click on the shortcut tab, and here you will see there is a target folder. On the target folder, we're going to make a slight alterations. Okay, leave it all the way, go all the way to the end. So once you have this .exe file, what you're going to do is just add in this text here: skip build patch prereq. Okay, so just type in this skip build patch prereq. Okay, type that in. So type that in at the end of the line. Okay, so something like that. So next to this, just type in skip build patch prereq. Type it as it is. Okay, hit on apply and click on OK, and then that should now fix up your problem with Epic Games Launcher.